Hey there, runners, hikers, and van lifers. I'm bringing Mini Whip into the shop today for checking out the AC. As you know, AC in the South is a guaranteed prerequisite. Like, you almost got to have it, especially when you rely on your Prius mini camper to keep you cool as far as like the automatic temp control. So if you're going to be sleeping in there at night in the South, you definitely got to have that automatic temp control, or you're going to be in trouble. Today I'm here at Roman Automotive, and it's the place that I bring all my cars, especially any import, Japanese import, Toyota, Honda, Nissan. If you need work done on your vehicle, you need to come to Roman Automotive. So like I said, Roman Automotive, these guys right here, they eat, sleep, and breathe the import cars and take care of you no matter what you need. So you need to stop in here. These guys are excellent. One thing that I've never shared on the channel is that I used to be an L2 certified master ASE tech. And so typically I pride myself in being able to fix pretty much anything on a car. But right now, I just don't have the time to do it. A while back when my boy needed his car fixed, it had a very severe problem and we just could not figure out what was going on with it. And I just didn't have time to mess with it. So we brought it here to Roman and to see if they could, kind of take a crack at it. They fixed that thing perfectly. I cannot believe, literally cannot believe that they fixed it. And I would highly recommend these guys to anybody. So if you're in Easley, Powdersville, Piedmont, Pickens, anywhere in this area, so anywhere below Greenville, South Carolina, you definitely need to stop in and check these guys out. If you need any kind of work done on your vehicle, they can take care of you. So in a few minutes, they're going to be pulling Mini Whip in here, and we're going to see what's wrong with the air conditioning. Definitely need it, and I will let you guys know what it turns out to be later on at the end of the video. And also, we're going to come back later and get the parts installed, whatever they find out that it needs, and I'll be reporting back with you guys later. So a lot of you may wonder why I would show a pin on the ground over there in front of the door. That pin tells me something. That pin is what we used to call a T-pin, basically for like sewing and that kind of thing, to hold your patterns together. But for me, that means I know that they know how to back probe electrical connectors in cars. So that's what I used to do, is fix cars when nobody could fix them in this area. So in the upstate, they used to bring them to me, and then I would back probe connectors and be able to diagnose electrical issues in vehicles. Now I know they know what they're doing. So if you're anywhere in the upstate, I cannot highly recommend enough Roman Automotive. You need to get here as soon as you can if you need your car worked on or anything. So if you need the address, it's 2913 Pelzer Highway in Easley. So I'll put their phone number somewhere down in the description in case you need to get your car looked at, just like I am.